Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to manage and add different accounts to Windows 11. Again, since in comparison to the previous versions of Windows, this one has been a little bit more complicated for some people because the Windows interface and the setting interface has changed up a little bit, but it's really not that difficult. Once we get down to it, you will realize that. So first thing you want to do is you want to go on settings. Now the thing with Windows 11 setting is you have two icons, the volume and the internet icon. You want to click on this. You don't want to click on the calendar because back in Windows 8 and 10 the setting was where the calendar was, but that's not the case anymore. Right now, as you can see, there's no settings here, right? So you want to click on the volume and the internet icon, right? Once that pops up, you're gonna get this. Now you have two buttons here. You have the setting icon and then you also have the edit icon. Click on the setting icon. Okay, now you get all these different options. You have system, Bluetooth. So this is the main control panel of Windows 11. You want to go on accounts. Now don't get confused here, because once you tap on accounts, there are two options here. One is the your info tab, and then there's the family and other users tab. We want to go on the family and other users tab. Okay, so you have two types of accounts here. As you can see, you have other users and you have your family. This is just a distinction. If you want to make that case, that's up to you, right? But the important thing is whether you want to add a family member, so like, I don't know, a brother or a sister who wants to use the computer, or just an extra user, maybe like, I don't know, a business account or whatever that you want, you're gonna have to click that and that. Now, important thing here, you're going to need an either Outlook or a Hotmail account. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've made a test account, so I'm gonna walk you through that, right? Okay, so I have one as an example here, so let's go with that. I'm gonna type example outlook.com. Okay, let's see how this goes through. Okay, so you definitely need to be connected to the internet. And as you can see, the account is added here, right? You also need to have your password when you do log into the account. Okay, now that you do have your account, you could also change the account type. So you have standard user and you also have administrator. If you want the user to have administrative access to a bunch of higher priorities, then that's what you do. Okay, now that I do have my new account installed, what you can do is, all you got to do is click on start and then you click here, right? And when you tap on this, it'll ask you to enter your password. And then once you do that, then you can log into your new account. And obviously, as already explained, the management of the account happens here. So that is how you add and manage an account on Windows. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found the video useful, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And you might also want to check out these videos that might be equally useful. Thanks again, and bye-bye.